pretty little cornfield.
You video it?
Yep, I'm filming.
I think I go over the bridge.
Oh, tractors. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
This is the flood. Look at this. Holy shit. Can you look it across my way?
It's massive. Oh, fuck me.
Right, it's gone down a bit.
Yeah,
But this is all the rain from the cyclone that we've had.
sheesh.
Whoosh.
Cyclone Gabriel, gay. Hey.
Hey. Woohoo!